Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson, Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. I just took in this beautiful 2016 Kia Forte. This only has 41,000 miles on it. Power windows, power door locks, windows already tinted. Very nice vehicle. This vehicle is actually averaging over 32, almost 33 miles per gallon. As you can see, the interior is in really clean condition. It is an automatic, does have Bluetooth. Nice big back seat, got seating for 5. And just taking a quick look at the vehicle, I mean, it's clean all the way around. Tires are like new on it, but again, very clean vehicle. Nice, it's a very interesting color. It's like a bluish gray, so really sharp. Got a little bit different look to it. So to find out more about this vehicle and others like it, contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169, or you can visit our website at www.firkinscj.com, and we'll see you soon.